my name is Rachel Veenstra, and I'm a PhD student with Ignacio Ciampiti in the Department of Agronomy at Kansas State University. This is a video abstract for our latest publications on the yield impact of tillering in dent corn. Tillering in corn is a topic that has always been a source of debate. Breeders' selection of single-stalked uniform plants has increased the plant density needed to reach maximum yields over time. Not all production systems support these high population densities, and tillering potential is still present in modern commercial corn hybrids. Tillers are expressed when key environmental conditions are present. Research on the impact of tillers in these low densities is outdated and generally unavailable. We wanted to understand three things in this current study. First, the relative importance of plant density, tiller presence, and environment to final yields for two commercial corn hybrids. Second, the impact of tiller density, plant density, and their combined number on yields. Third, the environmental factors that likely determine how yields respond to tillers in modern hybrids. With field trials set up across the state of Kansas in 2 different years, we tested the impact of 3 plant densities, 10, 17, and 24,000 plants per acre, which equates to 25, 42, and 60,000 plants per hectare. 2 hybrids, both Corteva Agriscience Pioneer P0657AM and P0805AM, and 2 tillering scenarios, one with tillers intact and the other with all tillers removed at the main plant 10th leaf stage, or V10. We had 3 major findings from this study. First, tiller presence never reduced yields in any of our site years at any plant density or in either hybrid. Yields responded differently to tillering when comparing locations, but an adjustment to plant density was needed to maximize yield potential in all cases. Tillers had plant density compensation potential, but can only boost yields so far. Sites with yields that increased the most when tillers were present had 2 key characteristics. First, good soil quality, high organic matter, for example. Second, higher photothermal quotient values, which means the crop experienced cooler temperatures and greater solar radiation, increasing energy available during early vegetative stages. The key conclusion from this study is that tillers have potential as a corn plasticity trait. This plasticity means that they can be useful to the plant as it works to adapt to its environment, in our case particularly if the planted density ends up being too low, or if stands are damaged or reduced unexpectedly. I invite you to read our latest journal and extension publications. Thank you so much for supporting our research, and you'll be hearing from me again soon.